Good morning, everyone. Today we are going to discuss about the reaction of phenols. Phenols have different reactions occurs. First we discuss about the electrophilic aromatic substitution reaction. Phenol are aromatic ring and contain one OH group. It activates towards electrophilic substitution reaction. Okay, it direct the incoming group ortho and para position due to electron rich system. Okay, the ortho and para position have more electron density, so we say simply electron rich system. Some common examples of electrophilic aromatic substitution reactions are: first, nitration. What is nitration? Phenols react with dilute nitric acid at low temperature to form ortho and para nitrophenol. For example, phenol reacts with dilute nitric acid. This nitric acid is breaking HO and NO3. So NO3 is the plus and HO is the minus. NO3 act as the electrophile. Okay. So this NO3 can get either ortho position or either para position. So two isomers will be possible here to form the orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol. But how to separate this orthonitrophenol and para-nitrophenol? Ortho and para-nitrophenol can be separated by steam distillation. Okay, can be separated by steam distillation. When phenol react with concentrated nitric acid to form 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, which is also known as picric acid. Okay, what is picric acid? 2,4,6-trinitrophenol. You see here, phenol react with in the presence of concentrated nitric acids. So this nitro group is introduced both ortho and para position, both ortho position and one para position. So this NO2 group is introduced here, ortho position, para position and ortho positions. So their name will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How to write their name? 2, 4, 6 tri nitro NO2, that means nitro, and ring is the phenol. So 2,4,6-trinitrophenol, which their common name is picric acids. Okay, it's very important. Their chemical formula you learn. What is the chemical formula of picric acid? You say that a benzene ring containing 3 nitro groups having 1 hydroxyl group. This is known as picric acid. But nowadays, picric acid is also prepared by phenol react with concentrated sulfuric acid. Then after treated with conc nitric acid. Okay, students. So phenol first treated with concentrated sulfuric acid to form 2,4 disulfonic phenol. This is further react with concentrated nitric acid HNO3. This NO2 group is introduced at both ortho position and one para position. Okay, this is the another method to form picric acids. Okay, students. Let us now second reaction, halogenation. What is halogenation? Halogenation means addition of halogen element ortho and para position. You say simple, phenol on treating with bromine to form different reaction product First, phenol won't react with low polarity compounds like chloroform, carbon disulfide at a low temperature to form ortho and para-bromophenol. Okay, to form ortho and para-bromophenol. And this is the example of phenol. Reacts with bromine or carbon disulfide at 273 K to form ortho-bromophenol and para-bromophenol. These two products, having one is the major product and one is the minor product. Major product, that is the form 80%, and minor product is formed as the 20%. And B, when phenol is treated with bromine water, if we use bromine water to give white precipitate as a 2,4,6 tribromophenol. This tribromophenol is a white precipitate developed. So phenol react with bromine in the presence of water with a mixture of water to form 2,4,6 tribromophenol is a white precipitate. Okay, is a white precipitate. Next, the most important reaction, second, Kolb's reaction. What is Kolb's reaction? A Kolb's reaction is a schematic reaction when phenol reacts with sodium hydroxide to form sodium phenoxide, which heating with carbon dioxide, a weak electrophile. Carbon dioxide is a weak electrophile, then treating with sulfuric acid to form 2-hydroxy-benzoic acid, or also known as salicylic acids. Okay, this is the name reaction and most important for your exam view. So first we take phenol. This phenol is treated with sodium hydroxide. Then after some times, this H and H remove hydrogen gas and to form sodium phenoxides. Remove one molecules of water, H2O, okay, to form sodium phenoxides. This sodium phenoxide is further passed with carbon dioxide. This is the chemical formula of C double bond O, C double bond O. This CO2 group is introduced at ortho positions. This CO2 group is introduced as ortho position and after hydrolysis to form salicylic acids. Okay, salicylic acid. This is the mechanism of Kolb's reaction. You simply write this reaction when phenol reacts with sodium hydroxides to form sodium phenoxides, which is passed with carbon dioxides and acids. A COOH group is introduced at ortho positions and their name will be 2-hydroxy-benzoic acids. Their common name salicylic acid. Okay students, then let us now discuss about another important reaction, Raymer-Tiemann reaction. Raymer-Tiemann reaction. What is Raymer-Tiemann reaction? How to product will be formed? First, when phenol is treated with chloroform. What is the chemical formula of chloroform? CaCl3. Okay. When phenol is treated with chloroform in the presence of sodium hydroxides, a CHO group is introduced at the ortho position of benzene ring. This reaction is known as Raymer-Tiemann reaction, and the intermediate is hydrolyzed in the presence of alkali to produce salicylaldehyde. Okay, salicylaldehyde. You see here example of Raymer-Tiemann reaction. we take first phenol. This phenol is treated with a mixture of chloroform and sodium hydroxides. This CHCl2 group is introduced at orthopoison and change in sodium phenoxide ONA+. This is known as intermediate. This intermediate is further react with sodium hydroxides. A CHO group is introduced at orthoposition. CHO group is introduced at orthoposition after hydrolysis in the presence of alkali. So this O having lone pair electron accept the proton to form phenol containing CHO groups. So their name will be silyl-silaldehyde. Okay, you also write 2-hydroxybenzaldehyde. Okay, students. So what is the difference between Kolbe reactions? The Kolbe reaction and Riemann-Tiemann reaction is simply difference. Here is CHO group in the Riemann-Tiemann reaction, and Kolbe reaction have COOH group at the same position, orthoposition. Their name is silyl-sialic acid and their name will be silyl-silaldehyde. CHO group is introduced, so their name is aldehydes, and COOH group is introduced, so their name will be acid. Okay, I hope you understand well. Then now let us discuss next reaction. Reaction of phenol with zinc dust. What happens when phenol react with zinc dust? Phenol is converted to benzene. Phenol is converted to benzene on heating with zinc dust. Phenol plus zinc to convert benzene. Okay, C6H6 and remove zinc oxides. And last reaction, oxidation of phenol. Oxidation of phenol with chromic acid to produce conjugated diketones, which is known as benzoquinone. Okay, this product is benzoquinone. So first we take a phenol. After sometimes adding sodium dichromate, this is known as in the presence of sulfuric acid, so it is known as chromic acids. So this chromic acid after gets hydrolysis, this compound is formed diketone, and this diketone is known as benzoquinone. How to form this compound? Simply you see here, this bond is broken and come in this position. This bond transfer in this position, and this bond transfer in para position, and then oxidation occurs in these positions and remains same in this bond. So this is the known as benzoquinone. Okay, students. Okay, all reactions are completed in phenols. Thank you for watching this video.